Now it's time for tip episodes with quick tips you should know. Techniques you can implement into your workflow right here on A Tale, oh yeah, A Tale of Two Hygienists.
If two toothpastes both say 10% nanohydroxyapatite, are they really the same? No, of course not. As dentists, we would never assume that two composites or bonding agents or implants perform the same simply because they share a similar ingredient list. Yet that is exactly what is happening today with nanohydroxyapatite. I am Dr. Jen, and for more than 7 years, I've focused my career on advancing biomimetic dentistry for patients seeking fluoride-free alternatives. The biggest misconception in our profession today is that nanohydroxyapatite is a commodity ingredient, but it isn't. Nanohydroxyapatite is manufactured throughout the world using different raw materials and different manufacturing processes. Crystal size, shape, purity, mineral composition, and manufacturing quality all influence how that material performs on enamel. And that is why focusing on only 10% nanohydroxyapatite just tells a small part of that story. Two toothpastes may both contain 10%, yet produce very different clinical outcomes because the quality of the crystal itself is different. Dentistry has never judged materials by percentage alone. We judge them by the quality of the material, the science behind it, and ultimately, the clinical outcome. Nanohydroxyapatite needs that same standard. The science behind biomimetic remineralization is not new. Researchers in Japan and throughout Europe have been studying and utilizing biomimetic technology for decades. And here in the US, we are still catching up. At Dr. Jen's, our mission has always been simple: use cleaner, biomimetic ingredients while delivering better outcomes for our patients. Everything we develop starts with one question: would we recommend this formulation to our own family and our patients? If the answer is not yes, we don't release it. And that's why our company remains independently owned by our dental family. My son, Dr. Gabriel, my daughter, Dr. Claudia, and myself. That is why we continue investing in research rather than simply following trends. One example is our naturally derived eggshell nanohydroxyapatite. Nanohydroxyapatite can be produced synthetically or derived from natural sources such as bovine teeth, seashells, or eggshells. After evaluating multiple sources, we selected premium eggshell-derived nanohydroxyapatite because it has excellent biocompatibility and a naturally occurring mineral profile, including magnesium and silicon. Today, our premium fluoride-free formulations have undergone multiple independent laboratory studies demonstrating remineralization performance exceeding over-the-counter fluoride toothpaste and even prescription-strength fluoridated toothpaste. Science, not marketing, should always guide product development. And as dental professionals, we should also expect transparency. Not every manufacturer provides independent characterization of crystal size, morphology, purity, or quality. And until stronger regulatory oversight exists in the United States for fluoride-free oral care products, I really believe the responsibility falls to us. Our patients trust our recommendations. If they see two products labeled 10% nanohydroxyapatite, they naturally assume they are equivalent. But it's our responsibility to help them understand that ingredient quality is just as important as ingredient concentration. Dentistry has always held restorative materials to the highest scientific standards, and I believe fluoride-free preventative dentistry deserves that same standard. If you would like to learn more about our research or our formulation philosophy, or even receive complimentary samples through one of our continuing education programs, we would love to visit with your office. Visit our website, Dr. Jen Oral Care, to schedule a CE program for your team. Thank you for everything that you do for your patients. Together, let's continue raising the standard of preventative dentistry, one recommendation, one patient, and one smile at a time.
A Tale of Two Hygienists.